Welcome to our tutorial series for Google Classroom. This time I'm gonna show you how to switch between classes in Google Classroom. So all you have to do is just to click the menu located at the upper left corner of your screen. And when you click classes, it will display all the classes you are enrolled to and the classes you are teaching. However, below this menu, you can find teaching. This menu contains the class you are teaching, and the one below contains the class you are enrolled to. So once you click this classes menu, it will bring you to the Google Classroom dashboard, and it will display all your classes, whether the class is the one you are teaching or the one you are enrolled to. So this is how you go to your Google Classroom dashboard and how you select classes for you to manage or for you to attend to. Thank you so much for watching and see you around for our next tutorial.